Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Clack Fan is probably one of the most fascinating additions to the mechanical keyboard world, offering a unique auditory experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Clack Fans, exploring what makes them so special and why they've become a favorite among enthusiasts. We'll cover everything from the different types available to the factors you should consider before getting one. Number 5. Sojourner Rave Fan, Large Folding Fan. Introducing the Sojourner Rave Fan, the perfect accessory for any outfit. This fan is a must-have for ravers, partygoers, and anyone who loves to make a statement. It's a great gift idea for anyone who loves to have fun. Each folding fan is made by hand with premium materials. The bamboo ribs are sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand all the fun. This fan is designed to last and make you stand out. Open this beautiful fan with a flick of your wrist. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry anywhere. The fan also glows in the dark under UV light, adding extra flair. Show off your personality with this awesome fan. You can rock out at any music festival or event without worrying about the heat. It's the perfect way to express yourself. The Sojourner fan comes in various colors and styles, suitable for everyone. Whether you need a feminine or masculine fan, there's something for you. It's a practical and stylish accessory. What we like. This fan is crafted with premium bamboo, ensuring durability and a great feel. It also glows in the dark under UV light, adding a unique flair to your look. If you're looking for a fan that combines style, durability, and a touch of magic for your next rave or festival, you should consider this. What people say. These fans are a social magnet. Has the loud clack when you snap it open, which is what I wanted. Got many compliments on the vibrant color. Number 4. Rave Fan Bitch by 13-inch Folding Hand Fan. Get ready to make a statement with this stylish hand fan. It's perfect for EDM festivals, parties, and any event where you want to stand out. Made with durable bamboo, this fan is built to last. The loud clack adds to the fun, making it a great accessory for dancing and celebrating. Stay cool and comfortable while expressing yourself. This fan is designed for both men and women, making it a versatile accessory for any occasion. Whether you're at a music festival, parade, or club, this fan is the perfect companion. It's easy to carry and adds a touch of flair to any outfit. Let the good times roll with this eye-catching fan. It's more than just a fan, it's a statement piece that's sure to turn heads. What we like. This fan makes a loud clack sound when opened, perfect for making a statement. It's designed for durability, so it can withstand the energy of any event. If you're looking to make a bold statement and stand out in the crowd, you should consider this. What people say. The fan is very quiet. It moves a lot of air. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. OMyTea Kitana Rave Folding Hand Fan. This fan is perfect for surviving the heat at any rave or festival. It helps you stay cool while you dance the night away, looking your best. Handmade with high-quality nylon fabric and ABS plastic, it's built to last. The fan opens with a snap of the wrist, making a loud clack sound. Whether it's a music festival, party, or performance, this fan is a must-have. It's also great for Tai Chi practice and keeping cool. It opens to 13 by 25.5 inches and folds to 13 by 1 by 0.5 inches, suitable for everyone. This fan is designed to make a statement. Looking for a unique gift? This fan is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great way to show someone you care. What we like. This fan is made with durable nylon fabric and ABS plastic, ensuring it lasts through all your adventures. It opens with a snap of the wrist, making it easy to use. If you are looking for a versatile fan that can be used for various occasions, from raves to performances, you should consider this. What people say. They are enormous. They come in a very nice black embroidered carrying bag with red silk drawstrings with small gold coins at the ends. The fans also give a really good thwip or snap when you open them quickly, which is super fun and really effective for what I am using them for. Number 2. Rave Fan Black 13-inch Folding Hand Fan. Get ready to feel the rhythm. This Rave fan is perfect for any EDM event or music festival. It's the ultimate accessory to express yourself. This folding hand fan features a classic design. It's made for both men and women who want to make a statement. It's a must-have for any party. Make some noise with a loud clack sound. This fan is designed to grab attention. It's the perfect way to enhance your dance or performance. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, this fan is both durable and stylish. It's designed to withstand the energy of any event. You'll love how it feels. Whether you're at a club, festival, or party, this fan is your go-to accessory. It's easy to carry and ready to make you stand out. Grab yours today. What we like. This fan makes a loud clack sound when opened, perfect for making a statement. It's designed for durability, so it can withstand the energy of any event. If you're looking to make a bold statement and stand out in the crowd, you should consider this. What people say. The fan is very quiet. The fan is easy to install. The fan moves a lot of air. Number 1. OMyTea UV Glow Rave Fan. This handmade fan is perfect for any rave or music festival. It's made with high-quality fabric and bamboo, and it glows brightly under black light. It's the perfect accessory to complete your outfit. The fan opens with a snap of the wrist, making a loud clack sound. It measures 13 by 25.5 inches when open, and folds to a compact size for easy carrying. It's suitable for everyone. Stay cool and stylish at your next event with this fan. It's the perfect way to beat the heat while you dance the night away. You'll look and feel great all night long. This fan is great for more than just raves. Use it for keeping cool, dancing, stage performances, or as a unique decoration. It's a great gift for any occasion. Get ready to turn heads and receive compliments. This fan is a must-have for any EDM fan or festival goer. It's the perfect way to express yourself and stand out from the crowd. What we like. This fan features a unique UV glow, making it stand out under black light. It is made with durable fabric and bamboo. If you want to add a vibrant and eye-catching element to your rave outfit, you should consider this. What people say. Happy to say it's still going strong and not breaking down. Looks great too. Glows under blue lights. Identique à l'image, format géant. Pratique lors de journée chaude à l'extérieur. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.